morning, one and all. So, dear students, so in our nature, we can be seen in the various things, is it? So, some plants, so some animals, so some of the various types of the organisms also. So, here, for example, if you see the ant or if you see the bees, so they have to the when we bite, so we have to the some pain, is it? So that pain should be will produce the some acid, is it? That is, it can be called as the acids. So for example, bee should be, or in ant you can be seen in the acid, that is the ethanoic acid, it can be called that one. So like that, in plants also there is the some plants which should be nettle like a plants, they should be also produce the some acid. So when we touch the plant, they can be pain. They will be we have to the pain to that one. Yes, naturally occurring some plants and animals have naturally they have the acid. So if you come across to the in our daily life, maybe if you take the lemon juice or if you take the tamarind, so if you eat or we can be taste that one, they are the some sour taste, is it? So why it is sour taste? What is the sour taste should be indicate? So whether it should be acid or bases. Suppose if you go to the any party or any home, you can be go to the any dinner, heavy dinner, then what happen? Our the stomach should be undigested food, is it? So then what happen? We have the stomach pain because our body should be produce more hydrochloric acid in our stomach. Hence, we can be taken the some antacids, is it? Because of the we can be taken on the bases. So what is the meaning of bases? What are the characteristics of these bases? Whether any acid or bases substances should be given. If you how should be the test to that one, whether it should be acid or it should be the bases. All this we can be discussed about in this chapter. So first we can go to the acid, bases and salt. So here introduction, what are the objectives, acids, how should be the acids are found in nature, what are the bases. So bases found in water, what is the meaning of natural indicator? Under natural indicator we can be discussed about the what is the litmus paper, turmeric paper and China rose petals. So first we can go to the introduction. So if you taste the some fruits here, so lemon or orange, so there will be some sour taste, is it? Ever wonder why lemon tastes sour or why milk gets spoiled if you mix it in lime juice? Suppose if you add the 1 or 2 drops of the lime juice into milk, what happens? Then that milk should be completely destroyed, is it? It is because of acid is present in nature. So in nature we have to know that the lactic acid are being present at one. When these acid and bases are one of the important topic of the chemistry. So without chemistry, without acid there is no chemistry. So acid and bases are the most important we can be studying in the chemistry. We will be learning about the more about acid, bases and indicator. What are the different types of the indicator? All these we can be discussed about in this session. So what are the objectives of this lesson? So after study of lesson, what are acids? Where it is found in nature? Bases found in nature. So natural indicator under litmus, turmeric, China rose petals. What is the meaning of neutralization reaction and neutralization in everyday life? So first one is acids. So generally we have to the some chemistry have to the different types of acid, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. But in nature you can be seen in the some chemical substances that have the sour taste. For example, if you consume the citric acid or we can be used to the lemon, they have the some sour taste, is it? So it is a sour taste. So many food items such as maybe if you take the lemon or curd, vinegar or because of they will present some acid content in that one. Yes, acidic substances are the content the sour in taste. Almost all acid are the sour in taste. There will be the maybe lactic acid content, there will be citric acid. So vinegar also some content of the acid also can be seen. So natural acid are the acid that occur in nature. For example, acid found in fruits or natural acid. So whatever fruits have there. So guava, apple, citrus fruits, these are all we can be called as the some. We can be seen in the nature of the acids. So acidic acid. So vinegar can be seen in the acidic acid, but large amount of the not acidic acid. So you can be added to the water to the acidic acid, they will become a vinegar. Like that ant sting. So when the ant should be sting, that one they will produce some formic acid. Yes, we can be pain to that one. So when the ant should be bite, we have the pain because of they secrete the formic acid. So if you observe the citric acid should be found in the citrus fruits such as maybe orange, lemon, you can be seen to that one. So like that curd and milk we have to the lactic acid. So like that in spinach, so they will be found in the oxalic acid. So like that if you observe the amla, lemons, ascorbic acid should be produced to that one. So in tartment you can be seen in the tartaric acid, tartment, and also some grapes you can be seen to that one. So why acid are stored in the glass container? Because you already know that acids are the more corrosive in nature. So generally reactive in nature, storing them to the metal containers may result in the reaction in the metal and corrode them. So in case when we store the acid in the metal container, what happens is because they will be result in the reaction with the metals or maybe non-metals. Yes, they can be corrode to that one. To avoid to that one, we have to store in the glass container. Glass is on the other hand does not react with the acid at all. So almost if you take the any acid, concentrated or dilute acid, they are all stored in this type of the glass container, not within material, cannot be used in any metals vessels. So are you familiar with the term acid rain? So acid rain means, so it is a sort of the natural rainwater, but it should be increase the amount of acid in it. It is called acid rain. So especially we can be seeing those are the factory or big factories are there, then they will be seeing this type of the acid rain because they produce a large amount of the gases, especially nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. They will increase their air pollutants such as nitrogen oxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Yes, you can be seeing this type of the acid, that is, it can be called as the acid rain. So acid rain is responsible for the 2 or 3 acid, that is, it can be called as the nitric acid HNO3, sulfuric acid H2SO4, carbonic acid H2CO3. So these acids should be nitric acid, sulfuric acid and carbonic acid respectively. Especially those are highly polluted, so maybe urban areas, they will be cause this effect of the acid rain. So acid rain should be affect the vegetation, animal life, even building, monument where it falls. So for example, in monuments in Taj Mahal like that. So like that vegetation is, if you go to the any forest or those are the living in the marine forms animals, they will be dead. So these are the some severe effect you can be seen in this type of the acid. Those are the effect of that one. So related to that, we have one question. Sting of ant content. So sting of ant means they will consist of vinegar, common salt, formic acid, milk of magnesia. The correct answer is formic acid. Is it? So next second question. Grapes is sour in taste due to the presence of tartaric acid, citric acid, formic acid, oxalic acid. The correct answer is citric acid. Is it? Sorry, salt tartaric acid. So next one is bases. So bases means what? So what are the bases? So when in chemical you can tell about those are the hydroxyl ions. That is we can be called as the bases. But bases we can be used for the they bitter in taste and soapy texture. So for example, if you taste any substances that should be the bitter, they will be called as the bases. Generally, they will, if you test that one, they will be soapy like a structure. That is, it can be called as the bases. For example, if you take the washing soda or if you take the baking powder, also they will be also called as the bases. They will be soapy taste. And also when we taste that one, they have to the bitter in nature. Bases are found in different substances such as bleach. So you can be seen in the bleaching powder, ammonia, and also washing powder, and also soap. They are also prepared by these bases. They are also called alkaline. The other name of the bases we can be called as the alkaline. Basic substances are the substances that contain base in them. So where we found in the nature in the bases means lime water, calcium hydroxide. So if you paint the wall now, so that paint should be consist of the lime water. So calcium and water they will be called as the calcium hydroxide or calcium oxide. That is we can be called as the lime water. So like that soap. So in your home you can whatever you can use with the soaps are there. That soap should be made up of the either it should be the sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. So like that the milk of magnesium we can be tell that is the we can be called as the milk of magnesium. So when we have the any pain in the stomach, we can take from this milk of magnesium. So whether it should be the acid and bases, how can we indicate that one? So how can we not only all the substances we can be taste that one. How can we determine whether it should be the acid and bases? The type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These are known as the indicators. So indicator means whether the given substance is acidic or basic. That is we can refer as the indicators. So there are three types of indicator we can be seen: turmeric, China rose petals, and litmus paper. So one by one we can be study about that one. So first one is natural indicator. Under that one we have the turmeric. So indicator is a substance that can determine if another substance is acidic or basic. So if you have any substances given, whether that substance is acidic or basic in nature, the indicator indicates the presence of acid or base in substance by changing the color. So for example, see the litmus paper and China rose petals and turmeric we can be used to that one. So turmeric means haldi, litmus paper we can be called as the lichens. They will be extracted from the lichens plants. So first one is litmus paper. So litmus paper is one of the natural indicator will be extracted from the lichens plants. So it is available in the form of the solution or in the form of the strip of paper. Maybe we can be called as the litmus paper. Maybe it should be shown in the two forms. One is strip of paper, another one is we have to the solution form. Generally it is available in the red and blue litmus paper. So strip of paper should be made up of the two papers. That is, we can be called as the red and blue litmus papers. So how can we change their colors when we add in the acid or bases? So look at the picture here. So when the litmus solution is added to the acidic solution, suppose if you have any acidic solution, so they will change their color from blue to red. The red color should be indicate the acid. Whether red litmus paper should be change the blue color, then we can be called as the bases. So if you test the vinegar, so vinegar have some amount of the acetic acid, is it? So using the blue litmus paper. So when you put in the blue litmus paper, then we change the red color. That red color should be presence of the acid. Suppose if you put the red litmus paper to that solution, vinegar solution, there will be no change in the color. Red litmus paper should be have to stay in the red color. If you test it using the red litmus paper, there will be no change in the color which comes from the presence of acid. So related to that one, we have some questions here. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? So litmus paper is obtained from the lichens plants. So this litmus is used to identify whether it should be acidic, basic and neutral. Neutral means they will not show any acid and bases. Then it will be called as the neutralization. So next indicator we can be called as the turmeric. So turmeric is also one of the indicator we can be used in the kitchens, is it? So turmeric is also indicated. It is generally mixed with water to form a paste, which is then put on the blotting paper and dried it from the thin strip of the turmeric paper. So how should be the litmus paper? No. So like that. So turmeric powder also we can be pasted to that one. Then we can be add to the dried to the blotting the paper, dried to that one. We should make a turmeric paper. So turmeric paper is also, it should be also one of the indicator of the whether it can be seen in the acid and bases. How should be the changes of the colors we can be seen? So turmeric paper is when put into the any solution, whether it should be the acid and bases. So it should be change the some color. Sometimes turmeric solution is also used as an indicator. So sometimes you can not only use it for the strip of the paper, we can be used in the turmeric solution also. So turmeric gives brownish red color. So when it should be give to the brownish red color, so then we can be called as the basic medium. So basic medium is when it should be give to the brownish red color. Acid means there is no change in color, then we can be called when we can determine the acids. So turmeric, if you test the soap solution by adding the turmeric solution, the solution should be turned red, indicate that the solution is basic. Suppose if you take the soap solution are generally bases. So when we add it to the turmeric paper to the this bases, there will be change in the red because of the this of the basic solution. So next one is it can be called as the China rose petals. So China rose petals is also one of the natural indicators. China rose petals are kept in warm water and a colored solution is obtained from there. So when the China roses are put in the warm water, this colored solution is used in the indicator to test the substances. Generally they will be pink in color. This pink color can be used to whether it should be the acid and bases. So China rose turns green in basic color. So whether it should give to the any bases of substances are there, maybe you can add to the soda water or shampoo or sodium bicarbonate. We can be added to the this China rose indicator. They will be turned to the green in color. So when we add it to the acid, they will be shown to the bright pink color or magenta. So it should be shown to the magenta or bright pink, then you can be called as the acid. Whether it should be shown to the green color, we can be called as the basis solutions. So if you test the lemon juice by adding the solution of the China rose, its initial color will be dirty, but final color will be magenta, indicating the presence of acid. So you already know that. So lemon juice should be consist of the citric acid. When this citric acid we can be put on to that solution, there will be a change in the magenta color. So these are the some importance of the acids, bases. So dear students, so today class we can be discussed about the what is the meaning of the acid and bases, what are the indicators, how can be the indicator that this substance should be acid and bases. Thank you and all.